cheese and sausage Ayvalık toast. Cut the 2 frankfurters longways into 4 equal parts. Thinly slice the gherkins. Half the tomato, then slice into thin semicircles. Finely slice 50 grams of cheddar cheese. Spread the butter onto the 4 thick slices of bread and fry each slice on both sides in a large frying pan over medium heat. Remove the toasted bread from the pan. Add the slices of frankfurter, salami and deli meat to a hot griddle pan without oil and turn them over before they brown. Arrange the sliced frankfurters, salami and deli meat on the 2 slices of toasted bread. Gently heat the cheddar cheese slices in a pan and then place over the sausages. Arrange the tomato slices and pickled cucumbers on top. Drizzle over mayonnaise and ketchup according to taste. Spread the Russian salad over the remaining 2 slices of bread and place on top of all the ingredients to make a sandwich. Slice the sandwich in half and serve hot.